It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Lice in dogs, symptoms and treatment. Dog lice are parasites. They are small, flat, wingless, six-legged insects that live in mammals and birds, more specifically in their hair or feathers. They survive on remains of skin, sebaceous secretions, feathers, and the host's blood. Let's talk more. 1. Types of lice that infest dogs. In dogs, the most common ectoparasite is fleas, but lice can also make their way onto the dog's body. They can cause itching, inflammation, pain, and hair loss. Unfortunately, all of this can also lead to more serious health problems, so it is essential to recognize and eradicate them as soon as possible. 2 types of lice can infest dogs: chewing lice and sucking lice. Chewing lice grasp the host's hairs with large, wide mouthparts and chew away the animal's dead skin cells and surface secretions. They are characterized by having a flat and blunt head. It can also be a vector of the canine tapeworm and live in the host for 30 days. They are primarily found in tropical regions and upon examination have also been observed in coyotes, red foxes, and gray wolves. The sucking louse grabs the host's hair with claws and sucks blood through narrow mouthparts. They are more common in long-haired dogs and in colder climates. There are 3 stages in the life cycle of a louse: egg, nymph, and adult louse. It begins when a female louse lays small yellow or white eggs at the base of the hair shaft. They are attached to the hair and do not fall off even when you bathe and wash your dog. The eggs hatch in about a week and release the nymphs, which are baby lice. Then, a week later, they enter the adult phase and the cycle begins again. 2. Symptoms of dog lice. One way to tell if your dog has a lice infestation is to separate the hair and examine the hair shaft. Adult lice can be seen with the naked eye and are the size of a sesame seed, about 2 to 4 millimeters, and yellow or medium brown in color. On the other hand, fleas are very dark, almost black, so you will be able to tell the difference. Chewing lice move much more than sucking lice, which, like ticks, embed their piercing mouthparts in the animal's skin. You may confuse lice eggs with dandruff, but you'll know the difference if you shake the dog's hair, and if little flakes fall off, it's dandruff. Other signs of lice infestation in dogs are intense itching, scratching, rough and dry coat, hair loss around the ears, neck, shoulders, groin, and rectal regions, small wounds, bacterial infections, restless behavior, anemia, tapeworms. 3. How do dogs get lice? Unlike fleas, lice cannot jump from one host to another. They cannot fly or jump. However, they can crawl, so infestation only occurs through direct contact with infested animals, bedding, collars, and grooming tools. Lice are common in areas where dogs congregate, such as dog shows, daycares, kennels, and parks. Lice are species-specific, so cats and humans cannot get lice from their dogs. 4. How to treat your dog for lice. 1. Trim the dog's matted hair. Lice and eggs are likely to stick to the hair and be difficult to remove. 2. Use flea combs to remove live and dead lice. After doing so, soak the comb in water mixed with flea shampoo or insecticide for at least 10 minutes. 3. Use a prescription insecticidal medication, topical or oral. Be careful with these products if you have cats, as they can be toxic to them. Ask your veterinarian if it is safe to use them on your dog, taking into account his health, breed, and age. 4. Hair shaving. In severe cases, it may be helpful to shave your dog completely to expose the skin and lice eggs to the topical insecticide. 5. Repeat the treatment at regular intervals for 1 month. You should also treat all the dogs in your home. 6. Wash all bedding, clothing, leashes, and collars. Use hot water and clean all areas where dogs spend time to prevent reinfestation. 7. It is recommended to replace all grooming tools as it can be difficult to remove eggs from combs and brushes. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.